welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be announcing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 4-hour chart of DXY, US dollar currency index. And yesterday, we saw further correction on the chart of DXY. But we also discussed in our previous videos that if market fails to bounce from this level, then there was a further possibility of market going down and hitting the 50 moving average or the support of 104.40 to 104.30. So as per expectation, market went down and took support at the 50 moving average. We saw a perfect bounce, and after that market is back to track again. So right now DXY is standing at 104.96, and it looks like that the overall trend of DXY will continue again. So as we all know, the next resistance on the chart of DXY is around 105.50. So this is the next stop for DXY. And today we have some news also during the US session. This is forexfactory.com. You can consult any economic calendar, you'll find a news. You can see ISM manufacturing PMI for US dollar. So there will be some volatility, not crazy volatility like NFP or FOMC, but yes, there will be some volatility for 1 hour, 2 hours. So please be careful. Okay. So right now, you also need to observe DXY around the previous high as well, because if the volatility of the market remains like this, then obviously DXY will face some trouble to cross this level, and it may also form a double top kind of a pattern and start going down. Okay, so observe DXY around the previous high. If it breaks, then obviously it will head towards the next resistance of 105.50. Overall, these support levels on the chart of DXY are still the same, that is 104.40 to 104.30. Okay, now let's look at the chart of gold. So this is the 4-hour chart of gold in front of us, and gold showed a big up move yesterday and made a high of 1831, and right now gold is standing at 1828. Yesterday I missed the point of the wedge pattern here, falling wedge pattern here, and during the US session probably I could see the wedge pattern on the chart, and I updated in my WhatsApp group, but sadly I forgot to mention in my YouTube video. But yes, our resistance level worked. Okay, we could not see a proper reversal, but still our resistance level worked and still providing resistance to the market. Market is still unable to cross the resistance. But before I proceed with the levels, I would also like to mention the monthly chart of gold. Usually I do not talk about monthly chart at all because this chart is too slow for me. Okay, but if we look at the history of gold, then we can see that in the month of March, okay, gold hardly forms any green candle. If you just go to Google and type in Google gold in March, you will see this. In which month gold price is lowest? Since 1975, the gold prices tended to drop the most in March. Okay, and if we look at the chart, then we can also see the same. Market going up, then price fails to sustain and market coming down again. So you can see in all the candles that market is either forming a doji kind of a pattern, or market is forming a bearish red candle. But one thing is common: after some upside, market fails to sustain and market is coming down again. So here we had a falling wedge pattern on the chart. Market gave a breakout. Market is standing around 1828. So there's a possibility that market may show some further upside, and after that market may show a very strong reversal on the chart. Okay, so if you already have a buy position on the chart of gold right now, be on the trade, no need to exit. And if you are on the sell position on the chart of gold, then be careful because market looks very bullish right now. If market breaks 1832 level, okay, please exit from the sell position, because Try to understand the emotion of the market here. Though market is standing at a resistance, but market is not going down, it signifies that buyers in the market are not ready to surrender. So as a result, you must be very careful. And in case after a few hours market shows a downside, it will be a confirmation that as the overall trend of the market is towards the downside, so the sellers have won the battle. But right now there is a battle going on between buyers and sellers around the resistance of 1830 level that we discussed in our previous videos. And if gold starts going up, from here, then you can also take a buy position. Okay, you can also take a buy position above 1832, 1833 level, because that will be a continuation of this up move, and your target will be around 1841 level. You can see here I have mentioned 1841.50 to 1845, which is the next resistance on the chart of gold. So if gold breaks this level here, then we can easily hope that gold will be heading towards this level and we can go for a buy. You need to exit your trade here. And when market will hit around 1844-45 level, okay, observe the market around this area, because this is our next resistance. If you see prices struggling around this area, if you see market forming shooting star kind of a pattern, market showing strong price rejection from above, okay, it will give you the confirmation that the resistance level that we see on the chart is true, and you can go for a sell position. Okay. And in case market shows extreme upside or good amount of buying, then the ultimate resistance on the chart of gold is around 1864 to 1870 level. This is the strongest resistance on the chart because of Fibonacci 0.382%, as well as strong price rejection around this area. Here also we are considering Fibonacci and price rejection around this area. Fibonacci 23.6. Okay, so this level is the strongest. So I think if we consider the monthly chart, okay, then there is a possibility that gold may go up and reverse from this resistance, and when the reversal will come, it will be a very strong reversal. If we consider the history of the market, it can be a reversal of at least 150-200 pips at a one drop, it may be. And do we have any support on the chart of gold? Then the answer is no. We do not have any immediate support. Already we have discussed this thing. The next support may be around 1804 level. Okay, maybe. But keep in mind, this is a trending market. Okay, in trending market, static support resistance are not very strong. The strongest support on the chart of gold is around 1788 to 85, which is far away. Okay, so as a result, if market starts falling again by tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you need to follow the trend of the market. Sell on rise strategy. That's it. And 1805 may work as support. So you need to observe the volatility of the market. But in case during the US session, if you see market falling, then observe the market on 1804 level. If you see then market is showing price rejection like this, if you see market forming hammer kind of a pattern, then you can easily go for the buy position. Okay, but keep in mind that 1804, 1805 is not a strong support. This is just a previous low of the market. That's it. Okay, so my dear friends, whatever you do, follow proper risk management. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So do not gamble with your hard-earned money. And if you're looking for signals, please watch the next part of the video where I'll be talking about chart prime. Bye-bye. Take care. Before we proceed further, I would like to mention about Chart Prime, who have sponsored the today's video. Those who want to generate their own buy and sell signals, please watch the video carefully, because Chart Prime is one of the best custom indicator service in the trading world right now. With the tools available in Chart Prime, you can not only generate buy and sell signals, you can also use these tools in your analysis for additional confirmation. They also have a trading community on Discord where they post regular trading ideas. Trust me guys, I have been using Chart Prime for a couple of months and their service is really awesome. If you really want to know how these indicators work, you can just go to their website chartprime.com and just go to the tutorial section. You will see the functioning of these indicators. Okay, my dear friends, As we are traders, we believe in probability. So I won't say that these indicators are 100% accurate, but with proper risk management, you can definitely make some money. Let me show you. This is the 50-minute chart of gold. You can see the signals generated by chart prime. Okay. See possible reversal down. See, it means that we need to take a sell position here. Possible reversal up means we need to go for a buy position. Possible reversal down means we need to go for a sell position. If not trend reversal, at least you can expect 40-50 pips on daily basis with the help of the software. But yes, the tool also generates false signals sometimes, because 100% accuracy is not possible, as we all know. But yes, the accuracy is certainly very good. Along with the buy and sell signals, you can also see that they have an oscillator where they also provide the overbought, oversold, divergences, and many other things. Just watch the tutorial, you will know all the things. You can just go with the 1 month subscription and just try the product yourself. I'm very much sure that you will love the product. And my dear friends, if you use the link in the description below, you'll also get 30% discount. You may also scan the QR code available on the screen for faster registration. Check them out.